Now this is the window operator we're going to be replacing in my garage. As you can see, the crank is coming out and it continually comes out and it's stripped inside there. So I've decided that just replacing it would be much easier. The first thing we need to do is unlock the window operator from the actual window. And there's just a little clamp that you move up and down. So now the window is free from the actual window operator. Next, we're going to remove the 4 screws holding the window operator into the window casing. Now we're back in the garage where we're going to remove the window operator. And as you can see, it pulls out very easily. So this is the new window operator I got at the local hardware store here. When you're measuring for the correct width, you want to go from end to end here. So this one is 21.5 inches. And it is the exact same length as the other one that I just removed. And so let's get it installed. So now that I've removed that tape with the extra screws on there, I noticed that this will not come out as easily, and the other one did. Obviously the other one was broken. So I've also had to buy a new handle for this window operator. So when you get it, usually the screw is all the way in. All you have to do is just remove it so that you don't see the screw inside here. You slide it directly on there, and then you screw it back on to make it tight. And now you can start to see that it will open itself. So we need to fully extend it in order to get it to go through our existing cutout here. So all we do is slide it back in place. And also on the previous video I mentioned that you need to measure the width, which in this case was 21.5 inches. And the width of this facing cover is 5 inches. So I know that this 5 inches here will be blocked. And now that we've installed the new window operator, I'm going to go ahead and put in the screws to lock it in place here. And luckily, the screw holes were the exact same location as the previous operator that we just took out. Makes it a little easier. There's a total of 4 screws. Okay. So now we're going to connect that window operator that we just installed back to the actual window itself. So there's 2 little grooves to get it in. You gotta make sure it's unlocked as well. And once it goes into the 2 little slits, you can lock it. And we are successfully installed here. So now we're gonna test it. Now we're back here inside my garage and we're gonna go ahead and attempt to crank it and make sure that it operates as it's supposed to. Success. So thank you again for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and have a wonderful day.